In this tutorial, we'll show you how to make this cute yet simple to make polymer clay wizard. This project is great for beginners because there's no need for any special tools or equipment. We will need some flesh coloured clay, a small amount of grey clay, and another colour of your choosing. I'm using 2 shades of purple as I want the cape and hat to be different colours. We're also going to need some aluminium foil. Take the aluminium foil and scrunch it into a rough cone shape. This is going to be the base of our wizard and we'll cover it with polymer clay. The foil has 2 purposes. One, it saves the clay, and secondly, it means there's not so much thickness of clay to bake. Make sure your clay is thoroughly conditioned and work with your fingers to make a thin sheet to cover the foil. Just wrap the clay around the foil. And tear off any excess. Take a little time to smooth out the joints. It doesn't have to be perfect, as little of it will be seen. Next, take another piece of clay and form it into a teardrop shape for the nose. And then place it onto the cone. Use 2 equal sized pieces of flesh coloured clay to make the feet. This is the most difficult part, making the feet look the same, so take your time with this bit. Take some more of the clay and shape 8 little balls for toes. Make 2 of them larger for the big toes. You can use a ball tool or even a toothpick to add some detail to the feet. Place the feet on the bottom of the cone, one either side of the nose and at an angle, and then add the toes. Next, take some of the grey and roll out some really thin strands to make the wizard's moustache. And add them under the nose. This bit can be a bit fiddly, so I like to place them using the point of a craft knife. Condition a piece of the coloured clay for the cape and manipulate it into a thin sheet to wrap around the cone. This is trial and error to get the right shape and size. And place it around the bottom part of the cone so a little overlaps onto the ground. Condition a piece of clay for the hat and shape it into a cone. Then gently manipulate the bottom of the cone to stretch out the clay and to form the hat. Gently pull the top of the hat and remove any excess clay, and place the hat on the wizard. Take a little time to arrange the hat and the wizard is ready for baking. Bake according to the instructions on your clay. I'm using Fimo clay, and so I'm going to bake it at 110 degrees Celsius for half an hour. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you haven't already done so, please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.